You know, the spirit is perfect, you know, because planting a tree, I was blessed to have a 50-acre farm that I invested in over 5 years ago, and I planted a lot of trees, and I'm eating bananas and plantains and trees in the future. They just keep growing, so it's a wonderful feeling. At this time, we're going to bring forth our mother, our sister, our friend. We don't have to waste much time, but I certainly want to say I'm happy that she's here. Sister Irma, would you please say a few words?
I'm really going to make it brief. Not because I don't think you're all great. I think you do. You are. I just spent 10 days with a group that I just put on a plane. And my daughter here wants me to go, what's that called? Mirrorball. That's after 10 o'clock. Then you dance until 5. I have been dancing and up and down. So I'm going to bear your indulgence. Because Brother Frazier, who is a recent repatriate, he is part owner of Santa Lodge in Cape Coast. And he's now living here with us. Brother Frazier, stand for a second. We had a family that came in that traced their roots to the Volta region, their evidence. And we went to that area, and they had that naming ceremony, and it was really something totally out of sight. Zozo, you want to stand up? Zozo was our tour guide, and what's our code word? Oh, straight. Zozo is an entertainer, okay? He has a couple songs out. One, we just went, and we made this up as we were walking, trying to find directions. You know, this came down, they say go straight, and then we don't know where they go. And then he's got another song called I Wanna Shit, okay? And the reason that song was written is because of the unsanitary conditions and the lack of toilets and things like that. So this is, and the mayor of Prague has entertained him, and he's just finished making this really fantastic video that's going to go out tomorrow, okay? But I'm going to see all of you, most of you anyway, when you come down to One Africa, okay? We're going to take you out of the city. As my brother used to say, he was a Rastafarian, he said, oh, you're going to the shitty today? And I said, so after we finish being here, and it's not bad. I mean, very congested, a lot of people, a lot of cars. You know, you got to have a sense of humor and all the rest of that. But it's really going to be a very, very interesting trip. I've been here for 25 years. Brother David invaded my house.
That's right.
He and a couple of sisters showed up. And we were living in an unfinished house with no flushing toilets and all the rest of that stuff. But we were living in it, okay? Waiting for our other house with no flushing toilets and no lights. And he showed up one day and said that he heard there was some African Americans in town and they had come to spend Kwanzaa with us. It was myself, my husband, my brother, and my sister. And we had the most wonderful Kwanzaa I've ever had. And we explained to them, look, brother, this is the deal. We don't have furniture, and sleeping in hammocks, it leaks in the kitchen when it rains, you know, whatever the kitchen was. He said, oh, that's okay. And so we've been together since then.
And I'm in her book too. She wrote about it.
Oh, yeah. I tell my people when I write, okay? You know, generally they put that little quotation in there that the names have been changed to protect the innocent. Mine says the names have not been changed to not to protect the not so innocent. I don't mind telling on people. What's the worst they can do? Tell me that I can't print the book again? I'm okay.
Great book.
But anyway. So yeah, I have 3 books. Returning Home Ain't Easy, but it sure is a blessing. Ababio, he or she who has been away and has returned, and Points to Palm. How do you get ready to come to Africa? Now we just got boxes of stuff from these people that came from America that thought we didn't have no food. I mean, literally. Zozo, how many boxes you got? About 2 or 3 boxes full of stuff. Food, turkey, chicken, Dickie Moore's Kool-Aid, peanuts. I mean, I'm like, right. The girl even gave me something for yeast infection. I said, where do y'all think y'all was going? He said, well, they just want to make sure they cover all bases. Well, they did. Okay? Then somebody brought some Viagra. I said, what's okay? So, when people say I'm leaving America, people are afraid. Like the brother told a story of repatriation. And like you said, reparations and repatriation, they're the same. They're not the same. I beg to differ. They're not the same. Reparations, you pay me for damage. Repatriation means you get the hell out of where you were and you come over on this side. Okay? And then you get paid. Okay? But there are currently over 7,000 diasporan Africans currently living in Ghana. The numbers may be bigger. We do not have dual citizenship, so if anybody tells you that you got dual citizenship and you get dual citizenship, they lie. It's a lie they tell. The only ones that have dual citizenship in this country are Ghanaians. There is a law for dual citizenship, but the way that the law has been applied does not apply to us. We can have residency permits, right of abode, when they give it to us, and they haven't given us any of that either. But we don't have dual citizenship. And marrying a Ghanaian does not get you dual citizenship. And see, one of the things about some of my sisters here is that they figure they're going to marry one of y'all, and y'all going back to America. See, they get fooled, because they don't know that y'all are trying to get the hell out of America. Y'all want to be over here with us. So it's like, yeah, okay, I'm going to marry him, then get mad because he wants away from America. So, I mean, it's a lot. The thing is that, you maintain a sense of humor, okay, and you be calm. You keep the finger down. This is an insult, okay? This is an insult. This means everything is okay. Bring that finger down. That is an insult. Okay. That's how you curse at some of the names, right? See, my brothers, yeah, okay, they'll tell you. That's how you cuss them. You really want to get them, you're like, this is a bad. That's a bad word, so don't do it. Okay. So overall, I'm going to take good care of y'all when you get to One Africa. The food that you're going to eat is going to be the best food that you've eaten since coming into Ghana. I stand behind that. Okay. All my customers say that. 99% of them. Okay. If you're vegetarians, we can take that. We don't eat pork. We don't eat anything that moves, crawls, meows. Okay. That stuff we don't eat. Chicken and fish, you got it. So if you want lobster and shrimps and prawns and all that stuff, eat it here, because you don't get it in my place. All right, and I ain't even going to try to find it for you. You might as well make yourself comfortable that you ain't getting none of that. Right. So I want to welcome you again. I can tell you some stories, but I'll wait till you get down there so I'll have something to say when you get here. There you go, I always have something to say. Okay? And what you mean you celebrate your birthday at Shea Afrik?
Thank you.
You think I didn't hear that? Yeah. We always celebrate our birthdays together.
Oh, we're going to do that One Africa too. But this is a coming out party.
Yeah, well, I got something coming out now. I do have something coming out. But anyway, and just let me bring something to your attention. And we want to thank Brother David, okay? But Brother David is good. He can be last minute, he can make it happen now, okay? But I just want to make a couple of notations. This book has it all, okay? This book might be something that's in here, but he's got it over here.
We're going to merge it.
Then we're going to merge it, okay? But just let me say this, just for example. I want to give you, there are a couple of corrections, like Ajua, that said Ajua Childs. Ajua is Ajua.Childs@yahoo.com, okay? Business in Africa, Dr. Sharita, S-H-A-R-I-T-A, Dr. Sharita, okay? And it's okay, my brother.
No problem.
And Imicus is I-M-A-A HKUS, all capital letters with 2 little dots over the U. And it means I, Mother Africa, Queen of